Hello everyone! Welcome to a new algebra session. In this session we'll be working on factorizing the quadratic trinomials. Let's start. If we have it in the form of x squared plus bx plus c, so we can easily factorize it, like for example, if I have x plus 3 times x plus 2, if you expand this bracket, it will be x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. If you combine the like terms together, so it will be x squared plus 5x plus 6. Here in this lesson, we'll be doing the opposite. I will have it given to me in the format of x squared plus bx plus c, and the question when it asks me to factorize, so I have to get it into two brackets like the x plus 3 times the x plus 2. Let's go now to exercise number 1. In this exercise, the question wants me to factorize each of the following. Let's learn how to factorize. First of all, we check for the HCF. If there is an HCF, so we take it outside and we factorize first. After that, we start making the two brackets. This one is x squared. What times what equals x squared? Yes, it's x times x. And then after that, we put the sign down as it is. Positive times what gives me another positive? Yes, excellent. It's positive times positive. So now, I want two numbers. Their product, when we multiply them together, equals 6. And as long as the two signs that you wrote in the question are the same signs, so the sum is 5. Two numbers multiply each other is 6, and their sum is 5. Which one first? In this question, it doesn't matter, but usually we write the bigger number first, because in other examples, like examples 3 and 4, it will matter which number will be written first. So we always write the bigger number first. So it's 3 and 2. Let's go to question number 2. Is there an HCF? No, there is no HCF. So here are the two brackets. X squared, it's x times x. After that, the first sign, we put it down as it is. Negative that you wrote here, multiplied by what in the other bracket to give you positive? Negative times negative. Then, the two signs that you wrote, are they the same or different? They are the same. I'm not asking about the two signs in the question. I'm asking about the two signs that you wrote inside the brackets. So, they are the same signs. So I want two numbers multiplied each other equals 6, and their sum is 5. Same sum. Same sum. So two numbers multiplied each other equals 6, and their sum is 5. Yes, excellent. It's the 3 and the 2. Question 3. HCF, we don't have HCF here, so here are our two brackets, x and x. The first sign in the question goes down as it is. Positive times what to give you negative? Yes, it's positive times negative. Then the two signs that we wrote are different. As we said, same sum, different difference. So I want two numbers that are multiplied together equals 6, like the 1 times 6, the 2 and 3, but their difference is 5. Minus each other, it's 5. Yes, the 6 and the 1, the bigger number first, so the 6 first, then the 1. Question 4. The two brackets, x and x. First sign is minus. The other one, negative times what equals negative? Negative times positive. After that, I want two numbers multiply each other equals 6, and the two signs that we wrote in the brackets. Again, I'm repeating, not the two signs in the question. The two signs that we wrote in the bracket, are they the same or different? They are different. Excellent. So different, we're looking for two numbers. Their difference is 5, and when they multiply each other, it is 6. Yes, here it is the 6 and the 1. As we always said, the bigger number, we write it first. Question 5. Here are the two brackets. There is no HCF, so it's x and x. And then minus. I want two numbers. Their product is 56 and their sum is 15. Excellent. They are the 8 and the 7. So the bigger number first. So it's the 8, then the 7. Question 7. Here are the two brackets. There is no HCF. X. First sign goes down. Minus. Negative times what equals positive? Yes, negative times negative. So the two signs that you wrote in the brackets are the same. So we want two numbers times each other is 8, like the 1 times 8 or the 2 times 4. And their sum is 6. Yes, excellent. It's the 4 and the 2. Question 6. X squared plus 7x plus 10. As you see, there is no HCF. So the two brackets x and x. The first sign is plus. Positive times what equals positive? Yes, it's positive. And then after that, the 10. I want what are the numbers that we multiply by each other gives you 10. Like the 1 and the 10, the 2 and the 5. The two signs that you wrote in the brackets are the same. So you want two numbers, their sum is 7. Excellent, they are the 5 and the 2. Question 8. Same idea. Here are the two brackets, x and x. Excellent, plus and plus. I can hear you from here. And then the 30 is 3 times 10 because I want two numbers. Their sum is 13. We write the bigger number first. Question 9. Here in question 9, there is something different, that there is another variable appeared at the third term, and it also appeared in the middle term. So this means that when you start looking for the two brackets that you're going to write, be sure that the first term will have a variable and also the second term will have another variable. So here in this one, it's x and x, plus and plus. I want two numbers, their product is 6, and when we multiply each other, it's 5. I'm looking for two numbers. When we multiply them, it's 6, and their sum is 5. So it's the 3 and the 2. But here we make it as 3y and 2y. Question 10. It's x and x, minus and minus. And then two numbers multiplied each other is 36. And their sum is 15. Yes, excellent. They are the 12 and the 3. So here it's 12y and 3y. Question 11. The two brackets, b and b. The first one is plus, the second one is minus. We're looking for two numbers, their product is 10 and their difference is 3. Excellent. They're the 5 and the 2. So we write the second letter in the second term. Question 12. X squared minus 5xy minus 24y squared. So here are our two brackets, the x and the x. It's minus plus. And then I want two numbers that multiply together equals 24, and their difference, because the two signs that you wrote in the brackets are different signs, so the two numbers, their difference should be 5. Excellent. 8 and 3, the bigger number we write it first, and then don't forget to write letter Y. In question 13, take care that it's not given in the right format. So we have to make it given in the right format as x squared bx plus c squared. So we're going to arrange it first. So it's x squared plus 15a minus 34. So I want two numbers that multiplied together is 34, like the 1 times 34 and the 2 times 17. And as long as the last sign is negative, so the difference must be 15. So it's a and a, it's plus and minus. So two numbers, their difference is 17. It's the 15 and the 2 thing. Two numbers, their difference is 15. They are the 17 and the 2. Question 14. It's given arranged, but don't forget to look for the HCF first. So here we have an HCF, which is the 5. So 5 open bracket, x squared minus 2x minus 3. So it's the 5, and then we'll start making the two brackets as if this one is a normal question. So it's x and x, minus and plus. So here it's 3 and 1. Question 15. Yes, excellent. We have to arrange it first. After that, we start factoring. There is no HCF. X and x, plus and minus the bigger number first, which is 5 and 2. Question 16. The HCF here, excellent students, excellent, is the y. So we take it outside as a highest common factor, y squared plus y minus 6. After that, here's the y. Here we need to make the two brackets as y and y, plus minus, and it's 3 with the 2 in the other one.